Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're preparing some delicious ant pie. These are made with just a few ingredients and is perfect for after school or any time of day. They are definitely a crowd pleaser. So if you want to see how, just keep on watching.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Supporters, thank you guys for the continuous support. And for those of you coming for the first time, please make it official by tapping the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell. In that way, you become a part of the family. And these were very delicious again, guys. I can't say that enough. And they were done in no time. Yes. So if you enjoy this one, please tell me in the comment section. Share with a friend, like the video, and do again subscribe if you haven't. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.